Hey guys, welcome to the new episode of Retrospect. Please remember, I do not offer financial advice. Do your own research and only invest money that you can afford to lose. Today is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to chat about various bits of news that I've seen on X over the last week. And actually, Coin Bureau has been posting some interesting ones. The first one was that New Zealand is going to teach crypto in schools. Digital currency will be added to the financial curriculum for years 1 to 10 starting from next year, with full mandatory rollout in 2027. All in all, this is really positive news. I mean, if this isn't a sign that it's going to be mainstream over the next decade or two, then I don't know what is. It's a clear sign that the new generation will be more likely to invest in crypto. The next one is that the UK now classifies crypto as property, giving holders the same rights as traditional assets, like the ability to own, inherit, and recover them. I don't know how I feel about this one. A lot of people are saying that now this allows the government to take our crypto, while others recognize it as a massive step, as once major jurisdictions start recognizing crypto as real property, it gives it some kind of legitimacy and a higher chance for more people to invest in it, increasing liquidity and increasing its value. The third one Coin Bureau posted was about exchanges having to collect all UK users' transaction data from January 1st, 2026, and they need to send it to the HMRC in 2027. Now, this isn't just the UK. I've seen a lot of jurisdictions where they're introducing tax frameworks for crypto next year, and it's got me thinking that it's probably best to get your crypto now and get it into self-custody before these things get into full swing. Obviously, they position it as a way that they can check tax returns and stop crypto tax evasion. The next post that I thought was quite interesting was this chart of the Bitcoin dominance. You can see an ascending, broadening wedge from about the middle of 2023. You can see as of late, the bottom of that broadening wedge is becoming resistance, and a lot of people believe that that resistance could be a sign that we're going to drop in Bitcoin dominance soon. A lot of people pointing out on-chain data suggesting that whales are rotating into altcoins, and we're on the verge of major liquidity pushing into altcoins. I'd love to get your opinion on this. Drop your comments down below. The next chart, which is kind of related, is the StableCoin Dominance. There's a bit of resistance at the 9% mark, which can be traced back to 2023 as well, and this is a historical resistance. And you know, if that dominance drops from there, it means it could push the value of crypto higher up. The next post is Alex Becker's post, which I thought I could relate to. He's saying that the sentiment is rather negative right now, and people are almost excited that it's about to fail right now, but he believes that it's going to be roaring back and make fools of them all. I also feel like that. A lot of negativity in my circles too. Obviously, everyone has their right to have an opinion to what they believe is right, but it feels like when we're in this position, things seem to turn around. The next post from Crypto Goose, he says that crypto is back in extreme fear, but I think we need to remember that at the end of November, we were actually on 10, which is one of the lowest figures we've seen in a long time. And in my opinion, 23 is actually a positive number considering we were on 10 at the end of November, and maybe it's a sign of a turning point for us. I mean, if you look at the graph for the fear and greed index, those moments where we hit 20 and below are rather short, and we're actually above 20 now. So maybe it's a sign of things turning around. And last but not least is Kevin O'Leary. He believes that Bitcoin and Ethereum are all you need, and that you only need to be in one of these two to capture 90% of crypto returns. And he believes the rest are just pure speculation and poo-poo coins. I'd love to know what you guys think of Kevin O'Leary's view. People often think that whatever Kevin O'Leary says, do the opposite. I mean, a lot of the on-chain data is revealing that the whales are rotating into altcoins, and that's exactly the opposite of what he's saying right now. But drop your comments on what you think, hit a like, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, to stay updated on all my posts. Have a great rest of your weekend, guys. Bye bye.